Although Microsoft Word have many features which covers most of your daily basis, still you might need to add some other features or some other assistance to make much faster or better for your document creation. In fact, you could add more features into your Microsoft Word. Make sure you're on the Insert tab, click on Get Add-ins, also known as plugins. Now we have a lot of plugins based on categories and sort by popularity or rating or name, or you could even search. Just to have one example, I add emoji of keyboards. Simply click on Add. You have to read the privacy policy. I said OK, continue. And after a while, your plugin or add-ins inserted here. Got it? I could click on that and I could add any emoji from my list. Some graphics using the scalable vector graphics like shapes and some others using as a picture. For instance, this plugin or add-ins, it is using images. How do I know that? Because when my emoji is selected, we have picture format and it is not similar to shapes. Because if I add some shapes, something like icon, allow me to add one and insert. You see, here we have graphics format tab and you can scale up infinitely. But if I increase the size of this picture, our resolution will drop. So keep in mind, the pictures are not scalable with preserving the quality, but the icons and shapes are using formulas, so almost resizable in infinite. Still, I could go to graphic format and convert it to shape and select it and edit points, and there it is. If I go to Insert tab again, we have also manage my add-ins there. Click on that. Recently used, see all, manage other add-ins, which I will click on that. You could specify the plugins and direction, location, where do you want to save, or simply click on this icon to open your add-ins manager, and here it is my plugin. I could click on this triple dots here, get details, rate it, or simply remove it. Click on remove. Are you sure? Yes, remove it. Okay. Now we don't have access anymore to this add-in.